All right. Good afternoon, good morning, good night, anywhere you are. So today's video, I'll be teaching us how to generate AI video using CapCut. So now you can't use anyhow CapCut. There's a particular CapCut like it's Pro I'm using. So there are some that does not have it, but for this particular CapCut Pro have it. So now if you look here, you will see there are different tools. Sorry, if you look here, there are different tools in this CapCut which some other CapCut have, but we're not using any of these two. Now if you look here, you're going to see this AI lab down here, so you click on it. So once you click on it, then you scroll up. Okay, sorry, you scroll up. Now you can see here there are different AI templates here that you can use. So but for this particular video, we want to create, since we are working on a religious video, you get. So for this particular video, let's choose any of this religious video and create something. So I want to use this last template here. This, I'll click on it. So it's gonna talk, but I want to edit this and give it my own topic. So generate a video about, let's say, the fall of man and the redemption of God. So now after you've done that, now you see with this with here with this Josiah. I don't want to use Josiah. I want to use Jesus. So I'm going to choose this graceful Jesus. Let me choose this graceful Jesus. Then which style do you want it to be? I don't want to use realistic film. You can use any other one. You can use movie. You can use cartoon 3D. Just choose something you think you like. You can select any of the styles here. There are a lot of styles you can choose. So since I'm using um this Bible stuff, a religious stuff, so let me use I want to use this Bible. Okay, Biblica. I will use this Biblica here. So and then you click on this free here, then sorry, you click on this free and you let it to generate. Just give it probably like 1 minute. It's going to generate. So let's hold on. So it's about doing. So if you are new to my channel, yeah, my name is Akinsa John, and I drop different videos on how you can run your faceless YouTube channel. So please don't forget, click the subscribe button and like this video. You can share it to any of your friends that you think will be needing it. So now we're going to edit. Go to click on go to edit because we don't export it directly. Now we need to just do some little touches here. We'll just do some little touches here. So we allow the video to load. So once it load, now there is this little secret I used to use. It's very, very simple. Now, for it not to look complicated, we just need to add a little touch to what we are going to do. So move to the end side. Now click on this place, click on it. Then it's going to bring this down audio. Then click on fade. Now for this fade out, drag it to the last for it to fade out. Then you click, mark it, then go back. Okay, before that, you see this ending, add ending. We need to give it an outro. We have intro and outro. So we want to give it for an outro. So what we can just do is to just, although I had my own outro I used to use, but let me just give us a simple way to make an outro. Now you can just click on this text button, then click on add text. Let's reduce it a bit. So Okay. All right. So sorry, you might not be hearing this because I'm using microphone and the mic will not allow the audio to speak out. Or let me see. Hold on, please.
Have you ever wondered, what it truly costs to eat the forbidden fruit? The story tells us of a single choice, a moment of disobedience, but what was lost in that instant?
Okay. So we're getting our video. We just need to edit a little things. That's the the font. We just need to just give it a little edit. So I have this one I usually use. Although you can use anyone that is going to be like activating. So let's try this one. So let's just see. Sorry. Okay.
Have you ever wondered?
Okay. So it's not really. So we wait for it to export. So after exporting, then that's all. Now I don't know if this is well explanatory, but I just need to just rush it so that it's gonna work. Because of the space, I don't really want it to, like, as I'm screen recording, I notice for me to get a quality record is going to consume a high space, that's memory. So I don't want it to be too much, because if I want to post it on YouTube for you guys to watch, so that it will not be too much, because I am not doing, I'm not charging anybody for this. I want it to be free and I want everybody to benefit from it. But I think with this, if you try and follow it step by step, you will get it. But if you don't get it, I'm going to drop my contacts, that's my Telegram contact, in the description. Just click on the description of this video. All right, so if you are new to my channel, you are seeing my channel for the first time, so my name is John Tim Tokwe. So I teach you how to run your faceless channel easily, and I also teach you how you can make money from your channels. So don't forget to hit the like button and share this video to your friends. So the next video, I will show us how we can post on YouTube to make our video go viral.